welcome back to my channel and to the very last video, the bonus video, the 13th video of the 12 days of Christmas. And I told you guys in the last video we would be going through my little LimeLife Santa bag. So why is it my Santa bag? If you guys want to find out what I am going to be showing you guys inside of this fabulous gray gym bag, then stay tuned for the rest of the video because there is going to be a guaranteed giveaway. Okay, so I'm very excited about this, and I just want to say a huge thank you to everyone who watched the 12 days of Christmas with me. That was really fun to do for you guys. I love doing that. And so this is sort of a special video because I am reaching 6,000 followers over on my Instagram channel and 2,000 right here on my little YouTube channel. So I wanted to do a little giveaway as a little thank you slash a little Christmas present for you guys for one lucky winner. So stay tuned to the end of this video because there is going to be a really fun giveaway. But first of all, we're going to go through some of my favorite of the holiday collections for 2018. The first thing is the Get Glowing collection, you guys. I'm just going to briefly touch on the sweet. There are more than what I'm going to be showing you guys. These are just my favorites. So this is the Get Glowing, and it comes with all the basic skincare for either normal to dry or normal to oily skin types. So you get to build or pick which one that you want for your skin type. LimeLife teamed up with Henry Charles. You guys can go Google, but he makes high-end cosmetic bags. So you guys should definitely go check out his website, henrycharles.com, I believe it is. So he created these bags for LimeLife, and they're very high quality. They're very thick, durable, a really good quality zipper, a metal zipper pull here, and then his like funky signature, you can't really see, maybe it'll focus here, signature green stitching here, and it says Henry Charles X LimeLife by Alcone. And what comes inside is, this one is for the dry skin types I picked because it's winter, and you get the 40 Cure cream, a little tube of this, and all of these are refillable. And like I said with the other products in the Holly Dozen, they are good for airline travel for carry-ons. So you get your 40 Cure cream, and that is good for any kind of skin conditions that you have. Anything like eczema, psoriasis, super dry skin, if you have dry, cracked feet, and it's just an all-over good body cream. I just love it for everything. Then you get a travel size skin therapy for the normal to dry skin type, and this is a very hydrating, this is very good for normal to dry to mature skin types, very good for dry skin. And then you get a miniature mask in this, and this is the skin polish one because that's the hydrating one with the jojoba beads that we got in the Holly Dozen collection that I was talking about. So that is also refillable. And then of course you get the Quench Cleanse cleanser, which is my favorite. I use it year round. This is my go-to cleanser. I love, love, love it. So those are the 4 products that you get in the normal to dry, and you would get the normal to oily version with the same type of products in the other collection if you decided to go that way. So then, I'm so excited about these, you guys. The next one we have is probably one of the best selling. The price point is really awesome. It's like 30 something Canadian, but you guys can check out my website. I'll link it down in the description box below, along with links to all of these products. But this is the ball. So it is a tree ornament that you can use to hang on your tree. It comes with a little LimeLife logo keychain on it. It's metal with punched little star things. And the cool thing about this ball is that when you're done with the products, you can hang it on your tree every year, put Christmas wishes in it, and then the following year you can look and see if your family's Christmas wishes have come true. And I just thought that that sentimental value to this thing was really, to this collection was really cool. So what's awesome about this, if you go online on my website. Like I said, I'll link it below. You get to customize and build this holly ball to whatever you want. So what I was super pumped about is you can't double up the products though, one of each product. I got another one of these little mini blenders. I also got another skin polish mask because you guys, dry skin, dry season, I really am stocking up. And then the One Drop Wonder. If you guys did not watch my previous video on how awesome the One Drop Wonder is with the advent calendars, I will link it here as well as in the description box so you guys can see why it's so amazing. Yeah, so make sure you guys check that out. So this is probably the top selling of the holiday collections right now. Next we have the Snowman Collection, and so this is the men's holiday collection. So you can get it just like this in the box, and it will come with the men's aloe eucalyptus face and body wash. And so this stuff smells so good. It can be used for both men and women if you kind of like that more masculine scent, because I do. And my husband uses this because I love how good it smells. And then this is the Bergamot Rosemary Face Balm, which also has anti-aging properties to it. It says helps hydrate, and it's also good for brightening the complexion and reducing the appearance of age spots and stuff like that. And then it comes with the Palm Balm, and you guys, if you buy this for your husband, just steal this. If he's not a bather, steal this, because I'm not a bather, but I use these Palm Balms and my skin feels like the softest it's ever felt in my whole entire life. These things have 15 drops of the One Drop Wonder that I was talking about in the ball, that you guys need to check out what pomifera oil does for your skin, because it is amazing. My skin, I can't even explain. My skin has never felt like that after getting out of the bathtub. So that is the men's collection, and you can get it, which I said is it's the Snowman Collection, but I'll link that down below. You can get it just like this, or this is where I got the gym bag from. So you can get it with the gym bag, which I highly suggest because it's not that much more for this gym bag. And I'm also kleptoing this from my husband, and I'm going to use it for my travel bag for like my blow dryer, flat iron, my makeup, my stuff like that, like all my bathroom toiletries, because gray is my favorite color. I love gray. And the size of it is just perfect for all that kind of stuff. So you can get it just like this, or you can get it with the bag for a little bit more. And then, you guys, the part that you have all been waiting for, the little Christmas giveaway that I have for you guys, is a little brush set from Aesthetica Brushes. So it comes with a brow spoolie, an eyeliner brush, and a brow brush. 3 of my favorite type of brushes, and the first ever Jamie Swan Beauty white tee in the size medium. So it's going to be super cute, like white tees tucked into high-rise jeans, oversized kind of white tees. Super trendy right now, and this is my first ever Jamie Swan Beauty t-shirt, so I'm really excited to be gifting this to one lucky winner. So all you have to do is subscribe to me here on YouTube. Go over to my YouTube channel, which is Jamie Swan Beauty. I will link it right here, as well as I will link it down below so you guys can just click on it. Go follow me over there, find my giveaway post that will have this shirt and the brushes. Make sure you follow me. Leave a comment on the post. You could tag a friend too. Yeah, and there will be more details on when the contest ends and when I'll be drawing over there on Instagram. I'm so very excited about this. If you guys love this video, give it a thumbs up. Let me know which of the collections was your favorite. You guys can check out more of the holiday collections on my website, which I will link down below in the description box. And thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you guys have an awesome Christmas, and yeah, I will see you guys in my next video. Mwah!